Hey there. So, if you guys have a collection of any sort, so if you collect stamps or art or trading cards, lots of different options, this is a great spreadsheet for you to use. This spreadsheet's available in Google Sheets and Excel. It has three tabs at the bottom, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So first of all, we've got the instructions tab. When you click on it, when I'm done with this video, the link to the YouTube video will be here. Make sure that you make a copy of this template before you use it. Okay, the dashboard, this part is just mostly formulas. This part and then the total value, that's going to be coming in from the tracker itself. And then this chart is also coming in. This is going to basically tell you how many of your items that you have are like rare, common, uncommon, and then what the value is of each one. Or not each one, the value is of the collection in total. So this will tell you, how many items that you have are rare. Okay, you've got $5,000 worth of rare items. That's what it's telling you. This part you can manually type in if you wanted to put in your top 10 favorite collectibles, your favorite toy, brand, and year. If you wanted to put in your favorite, baseball card, the rookie year, whatever you want to do. And these are your top 10 items that you're collectible, whatever it is that you're collecting. This is going to show you the total number of items that you own and then the total value of your collection. Okay. So next at the collection tracker, each one of these is going to be a place where you can fill something out. So I've got a blank space here so we can just practice putting that in. This, I will tell you, this is the Google Sheets version. So if you do get the Excel, it's going to look a little different, and I'll explain that in a minute. But right now I'm in Google Sheets because it's my favorite because I can make it prettier. Okay, so say we're going to have an item and say this is going to be like the 1973 rookie card. And I'm just saying that. Okay, so the description, we're gonna say this is, and I don't want to insult anybody by saying the wrong thing, so I'm just gonna say famous person, card, and then in the category, we're gonna call this a trading card. If you wanted to, if you make up your own categories, that's fine, but I just put trading card for this one. And then the date collected, say you got it January 1st, 1965. It was produced. Oh, let's do that a different date. Let's say you got it in 1973 because that was the rookie card. Oh, no. Sorry. Let me do that again. The date collected, say you got it April 1st, 1980. Let's say that. And then it was produced January 1st, 1973, because that was the day it was produced. Now, this part here, everything in the age, it's going to produce, it's a formula. So with the day that you put in that it's produced, it's going to calculate the age for you. So it's kind of handy. Okay, so say that this is the condition. We're going to click in here and then say this is mint condition, and we can you can just choose whichever one you think is for your item. So say this is mint condition, and you've got this in a special box 1. Rarity, say this is going to be like an ultra rare one, and it's valued at, I don't know, I'm just guessing, $2,500, and you bought it, say, for $5 because you got it right at the beginning. And you got it from a store. Serial number, I'm not sure if these have serial numbers, but this has a place for it if you want it. Brand, is that Tops is the brand? And then insurance value, say you've got it insured for $2,500, and notes, mint condition, and then you had it, what is that called? Valuated. I know there's a thing that you can do for sports cards, but I don't remember what it is. And in case. Okay, so just notes, whatever you do for your own thing, you can put notes, like if there's any no chips, or you could say something special about it. Okay, so this part here, the total items owned, that's if you are going to put something here in this column, that's what's going to calculate the total items. So just make sure that if you are calculating, you're filling out the description. And then the total value is going to be everything that is in this column. So if we're going to make a value for this one of, 50,000, it's going to make your total value of everything much more. And then it's going to put the total value here and then the total items owned here. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that this helps you. If you wanted to change the color in any way, you would just highlight this and then hit the fill color button and then, change the color if you didn't like the beige. If you wanted to change any of the drop down boxes, you would just click in on the arrow and then click the edit button and then add another option here. You can change the color here by customizing and then just choosing something and hitting OK and hit done. You in this situation, you do not want to make changes to all of them because if we did, it would mess up this J column. So it's just going to bring this down here. So we've got the option here, and then you would just literally drag. You click on the cell. There's a dot here, and then you would drag it down, and now it's going to have that option in there. You have to drag it all the way down to the bottom of the row for it to make sure it worked. So if you're here and you wanted to, delete anything, just highlight everything on the row and hit the delete key, and then make sure you don't delete out the age part because that's a formula. So if you delete that out, it's going to delete the formula. So you can go here and hit delete, 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 and then the rest of these are not formulas, so you can just highlight and delete. And that way, if you wanted to delete out a row, you just highlight this whole row here, have it at the dot here, and then drag it down. And now it's going to have everything kind of all set for you to use. That's kind of blank. That's how I would blank out a sheet if just in case you needed to start over. So I hope that helps. If you need anything, I'm at savvyandthriving.com. I do have 2 other collections. No, 3 of them. I've got a movies tracker, a TV show tracker, and a music collection tracker that's specifically for those items, if that's what you're looking for. But this is kind of to hold the place of anybody who is a collector of any sort of item. This can be a great sheet to use. So hope this helps, and I hope you guys have